Hi friends, today we are going to be working on our Sunday's lesson for level 29. So what you will need is your student notebook. This is found in your yellow folder from Miss Johnson. And I want you to put your name, the date you are working on it, and the level, which is 29. So again, that's the name, the date you are working on it, and level 29. When we are done with this lesson, you are going to bring this back to Miss Johnson so I can check to see how we did. All right, once you are done with that, we are going to go ahead and start our lesson by reviewing our sounds. So as a sound pops up on our screen, I want you to say the sound out loud. Because this is our first lesson online, I am going to say the sounds with you. However, in the future, I am just going to present the letter or letters on the screen, and I want you to say the sound. So, part 1, read sounds. T, B, X, M, G, O, J, V. And we are moving pretty quickly because we want it to be fluent. So if you need to, you can rewind the video and practice the sounds that you miss. Z, P, K, D, N, H, I or I, A or O. And we should review this. When we see our vowel, vowel starts with V. We turn it sideways. I have two sounds every vowel makes two sounds. One is short and the other is long. So whenever we see those vowels, we should make two sounds just like with our O. It says A and O. A and A. S, K. All right. Awesome job on that first part. Now I need you to get your student notebook again. We are on our second section. It says spell sounds. You will also need a pencil or a pen. I'm okay with you using a pen if you would like to, because if we make a mistake, that's okay. Miss Johnson would like to see the mistakes that you made. So we don't erase anything. You can either put a line through it and then fix your mistake beside it, or move to another line and fix it. So it's okay if you make mistakes. I would actually like to see what mistakes you make, and we can talk about them when we're back at school. So we are on our spell sounds. For this section, I am going to say the sound. Instead of showing you the letter or letters on the screen, I will dictate the sound. You are going to write the letter or letters that make that sound on each individual line. So I will show you for the first one, since this is our first lesson. I'm going to use a pen because, again, it is okay if we make our mistakes. So for the first one, I would like you to write ch, ch. So it just goes right on that line as we do in class. And then we'll move to the next sound. R, R. I'll show you what to do if we're making a mistake. So if you look, Miss Johnson just wrote the letter R. Now if you did this on your paper, that's okay, because mistakes aren't bad. We can learn from them. So if you made a mistake like Miss Johnson, we can review it. So I know that R actually says and I'm hearing R like a pirate. I know that there are actually two letters that make that R sound, and it is A-R. So what I'm going to do, I just put a line through my mistake, and I'm going to write right beside it. If you don't have room, just move to another line. A-R. So A-R says R like a pirate. Our next sound, ooh, ooh. Again, this is going to be two letters. I'll give you some think time. For right now, we are going to just make the ooh sound with O-O. If you thought of a different way, I'm proud of you, but we will actually hit on that later on as we continue to review our sounds. Our next sound is sh. Sh. Should have SH on this part. Our next sound is w, w. And at this point, we do know two different ways to make the w sound. So listen one more time. W. I'm going to give you some think time as I write them on my paper. And if you only thought of one, that's okay. We're just getting back into our Sunday, so you may have forgotten some of the rules we've practiced, and that's absolutely okay because we will review them as we're going on or going throughout our new Sunday lessons, and so we'll all get there together. So the two ways we can make the w sound is with just W by itself and WH, like in the word what. Okay, and let's do one more. Ing, ing. We find the sound at the end of the word, or if it's a compound word, sometimes it can be in the middle. Ing, ing. All right, and we spell ing, I-N-G. And that's all we're going to do for today for our spell sounds. So we will get ready to do our next section. Our next section is spell words. Well, I'm sorry. Our next section's not spell words. We're getting to it. It's read words. So our words are going to come up on the screen. You are going to read them out loud. If you are stuck, do not panic. You are going to stretch out our word like we do in class. So I am going to demonstrate this with you. I will actually read the words with you today, and then, like I said, in the future, the words will appear on the screen. I would like you to read them, and you can stretch out the words if you're stuck. So we have some sight words in here, and this will be pretty quick because we're trying to build our fluency. The, a. Okay, so we're going to start at the top left. Cod, log, cop, fog. Now I'm going to review with you what to do if we're not sure what a word says. So let's look at that last word, fog. So I have 3 letters. I'm going to stretch out the sounds. If I'm not sure, I'm like, ooh, I don't know what that word is. We're going to touch spell it or stretch out the sounds. Ah, g. One more time. Ah, g. Fog. So if you run into that problem in the future, please use our touch spell or stretching out the sounds strategy. One other thing, the words might seem a little easy right now, and that's okay because it's a lot of review sounds and review words that we've practiced. And again, we want to read them quickly to help build fluency. So rot, off, sod, lop, bog, job, loss, boss. Jot, sop, mob, tot, pop, dog, moss, mom. Lob, hog, mop, sop. Pow, kin, bib, man. Ill, hill, sal, jag. Vow, jib, din, how. Pan, nod, rap, lop. 6, sax. Toss, tax, mad. Rip, box, gas. Big, rag, fix, bog, dim, off. All right, awesome work on that section, guys. Now we are actually to our spell words section, and this is my favorite section of Sundays because we're going to put together all of the skills we just practiced by actually spelling words. So for this section, you are going to need your pencil or your pen, and you are going to listen as Miss Johnson dictates a word and stretches it out for you, and then you are going to write it down. Sometimes I will not stretch out the word, and that is just to challenge you. And if you're struggling, you can stretch out that word by yourself. So the first word we are going to stretch out is milk. Go ahead and write milk on our first line for section 4, spell words. We're going to write it right there. So I will stretch it out first, and then you guys can do it on your own after that. Milk. So I think to myself, what letter makes that sound? What letter makes that I sound? What letter makes the O sound? And what letter makes the K sound? And I spelled my word milk. Our next word is rest. R-E-S-T. And Miss Johnson is going to make a mistake on this word. Let's see if you can catch what that mistake I made was. I have ist. I wanted to spell rest. Rest. So did you catch my mistake? If you said I had the wrong vowel, you're right. Instead of having that sound, I actually put the I sound with our short I. So again, to correct my mistake, I will just put a line through it, because remember, mistakes aren't bad, and I love to see how you corrected your mistakes. So I'm going to put a line through it and then stretch it out again. That growth mindset, learning from our mistakes. So est. So I have to think, what short vowel makes that sound? I know it's short V. Oops, sorry. That's how you'll fix a mistake in this section. So now we'll get going with a couple other words. And we're going to do some long vowel. We will do spine. Sp-I-N. Sp-I-N. I heard a consonant cluster at the beginning. Sp-I-N. And I hear a long I, so think to yourself, what is going to make I say its name? Spine is spelled S-P, that's our consonant cluster, Sp-I-N-E. So what is making I say its name? That magic E. Good job. Our next word is going to be crisp. This has a lot of consonant clusters, so listen carefully. Crisp. You might bite into a crisp apple. So crisp is stretched out. Crisp. 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 There's 2 consonant clusters there. Go ahead, write it on your line. I'll give you some think time. All right, let's check it. Crisp is C-R-I-S-P. Good job. And we're going to do one more, because we're taking a little more time today, because I'm showing you what it looks like when you're stopping, you're stretching out your words, you're checking your work. So we'll just do one more, and we're going to use a sound we practiced in our spell sound section. We'll use that ooh sound. So let's do the word booth. Booth. Let's stretch it out together. B-ooth. If you eat at a restaurant, you might sit in a booth. B-ooth. Booth is B-O-O-T-H. Remembering that our O-O makes that ooh sound. So wonderful work on your spell sounds. Now we are going to do our next section. Oops, we still have one more section, even though it said lesson completed there. We are going to do our spell words part 2, which is our phrases and our sentences. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say a sentence to you. I want you to write it on our section down here. It says spell words, phrases, and sentences. And I would like you to write that sentence and check your cops. So whenever